Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to add vanilla gift card to Cash App. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Cash App. So once you open up Cash App and logged into your account, so you go to your home tab here, and then what you're going to do now, you're going to click on add cash option here, and then select any amount that you wish to add. For example, $10. I'll just click on add, and then now here where you add your bank card details. So here what you're going to do, you're going to simply provide the card details of your vanilla gift card. So for example, your vanilla gift card may look something like this. Since I don't have a gift card, I'm just using this demo. So something like this, you'll have all the details here, the card details. So simply take that and then plug it in here and then hit on link card. So that's how you can add vanilla gift card to Cash App. So I hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.